Okay, so Google Forms, we know them, we love them, you probably have a ton of them. And if you are using them as quizzes, you probably really have a ton of them. So just one idea to make your quiz, your data maybe more efficient, easier to find, is to take these quizzes and whether it's quiz 1, 2, 3, 4, countless as far as I know, and to put them all on the same spreadsheet so that they can be separated by tab. So this would be your quiz 1, your quiz 2, your quiz 3. It's great because it allows you to track your students in one spot for growth. So Sally here not doing so hot. Again, Sally not doing so hot. And wow, you got to talk to Sally. So these quiz tabs can be changed. I would put mine in chronological order, but it's up to you. So this is how you do it. You may be familiar with grabbing your responses here, and there's a lot of good stuff about the summaries, right? You can look at them pretty quickly and see how kids did, but usually this distribution is anonymous. You can also look at it question by question, but you have to scroll through this way, and it's hard to keep track, in my opinion. And then again, down here we have 3 students who've taken the test, and I can go and look at student by student by student. But as you know, you can also send it to a spreadsheet, and typically it will create a new spreadsheet for you. It will share the same name as your Google form, or you can hit select existing spreadsheet. So if you do that and hit select, it will allow you to choose the spreadsheet you want. So I call this the super quiz spreadsheet, the mother of all spreadsheets. Okay. It's going to grab the title of the form, which was Form 4 Response. And so if I hit this tiny little triangle, I can rename it. So let's call this perhaps the road quiz or something. And I may not want it located there, so I can grab it and move it. One other thing is that if I just add, slide this up, if I just add another tab, and I can easily, they'll live together. So this is a regular Google Sheet tab. You can tell that it's not connected to a Google form because it doesn't have the Google form icon next to it. So you can do that and rename that sheet and just add more information if you want to. But what's nice to know is if you hit any one of these that are connected to a Google form, then this form option shows up, and you can edit the form right in here. Okay, go to the live form, all this great stuff. You can also unlink the form so that the data no longer fills the spreadsheet. So when you leave this Google Form tab and come down to the regular tab, you'll see that the form menu option is no longer there. So also, when you come to, again, in Survey 4, we have our questions. If you go to responses, you can come to the 3 dots and you can unlink the form. Now, if you unlink the form, that Google Sheet will still live in your drive. It's just disconnected now. So they both still exist. They're just separated. So, all right, that's how to keep all of your data from all of your forms on one spreadsheet.